Hello guys, this is Hugo. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a quick edit in your photos using Adobe Lightroom 5. First off, you have to select your photos. After you have it selected, you have to go to the Develop tab. I have some presets that I have created throughout the years, but I generally don't like to use them. I rather just edit my photos from scratch. So let's see what we could do. I shot this photo, it was a couple of years ago. It's on JPEG, so it's not on RAW. That's why you see those colors. So it's already colorized, so we won't touch the colors as much. First things first, I like to always get the exposure. I think the exposure is right, but let's just give it a few. Let's increase it a little bit. Let's see how it gets. Another thing that I like to do, like on all of my photos, I like to play with the highlights. See how the photo changed so much with the highlights. It's already overexposing here, but if I underexpose it, I don't like how the skin looks on this arm, so I'd rather leave like that. You see, like, let's give it a 19. Also, let's check the shadows. You could check the histogram here, but I really don't like to use it as much either. I just like to see the photo. It depends on how I feel on that date. So let's see, what if I drop it down to minus 31, let's say. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Also the white. If you check this photo, it has a lot of white on it. So let's see what we could do. I see, I lower it down, but what if I increase it now? If I increase it, see how it turns out. So let's leave it like that on minus 31 too. Yeah, let's give it that look. Then let's play with the blacks. It has a lot of black on it. It has a lot of white and also a lot of black on it. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Now, what about the temperature? Yeah, let's give it a warm look. Something like maybe a 5. Maybe a 5, yeah, because it had some bluish tones on it, but let's put it a little warmer. Yeah, it's better like that. And now, what about the tone curving? Yeah, let's increase the highlights. These are the highlights. This is just like a quick edit, guys. You don't have to do it this way. Just personally like to do it that way all the time. Since I already told you guys that this photo was shot on JPEG, not on RAW. Yeah, my mistake. We don't have to deal with the colors as much. The orange, if you tweak the orange, it'll change the skin color, you see. So I don't like to have it oversaturated. Let's leave it. I like to undersaturate it actually, like minus 7 would do it. What about the luminance? Yeah, can increase the luminance a little bit. The yellows, if you change the yellows, it'll change the background color. You see, overexposed, underexposed. So let's leave it on minus 20 for the saturation. That'll do it. What about, can I increase the highlights? Yeah, I like how this is going. You see, I like it that way. Let's see, what about the sharpening? Yeah, the sharpening, let's give it an 80. Masking, so masking just so look more natural. I think that is it. Now, something that I like to do too. As you see, this photo is complete, but let's give it a crop. If you right click on the photo and then create a virtual copy, I like to create a virtual copy just so I could save the changes without damaging the photos. Then I like to the crop tool. You could press R on the keyboard. Then I like to select the constraint to wrap. so it keeps the same size of the image. Then let's see. Oh yeah, we'll crop that leg. I'm sorry. Yeah, nah. Let's give him more space. And she was like, yeah. What do you think, guys? But there's something else. What about this thingy right here? You could take it out easily. If you go in here, the right side, this one, spot removal, spot removal tool. You see, I like to have it on heel. The feather, let's see, just give it a click, and it'll do it automatically. See. Also, but this photo has it too. Let's see. I mean, you could just Ctrl Shift C to copy settings. You could check on none. You could click on spot removal, click on copy, then you go back to this photo. You Ctrl Shift V the photo, bang, it's already removed too. You see. That's how I edit my photos. Just a quick edit. For you guys, keep tuned. I'll keep uploading pictures, more tutorials in here in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching.